In this video, I'm going to present the Marks Piggy Back Shutoff Valve, part number 80871. I have many that dread shutting off the water supply to change a leaky shutoff valve. This can be a huge inconvenience. Shutting off water to the building or isolating a certain area can represent challenges. Instead, they opt to add a repair valve while leaving the old valve in place. Let me explain. A shutoff valve that leaks when it's turned off should be replaced. But if the shutoff valve is hard to access, or if turning it off the water supply to the whole building or all of the units in a condominium is inconvenient, you can sidestep the problem by installing a special repair valve on top of the old supply valve. Once the new valve is in place, simply leave the old valve in the full on position and use the new valve whenever you need to shut the water off. The repair valve has a built-in 3/8 inch female compression fitting on one end that attaches directly to the top of the old valve, which will have a 3/8 inch male thread. Tighten the compression fitting, then shut off the new valve. Now you're ready to attach the supply tube or the supply line to the outlet side of the Piggy Back, which is also a 3/8 inch male iron pipe. From that point on, ignore the old valve and use the new one to turn the water off and to turn the water on. The new valve's ball design means you'll never again have to deal with a shutoff problem.